let's see how well this works. Hello everyone. Today we are taking a look at GardenJoy's cordless pressure washer. Here we can see all the accessories that come inside the nice protective case. Foam sprayer for your soap. This is the unit itself. With the safety feature, press the button in, and that allows you to pull the trigger. Battery indicator on the top. Very nice large battery. Pop this cap off. This one was wet, so it looks like this might have been a used unit. Pop this piece on. You have your extension scrub brush. Spray nozzle with different spray ends by just twisting here. Your pourable bucket, which is really nice. Place your water inside here. And your hose. For some people, you won't need that other extension piece, so you just pull it off and then you put this one in and you're ready to go. Place this down inside the water. Make sure it doesn't get any air. So let's take a look at our siding. You guys can see in our shaded area, mildew builds up versus like out through there. So we're gonna try this brush out and we're gonna see how well this brush actually works. We're not going to apply any solution or any water or anything. So we're just going to see how the brush actually handles with just what, well, I said not water or anything. I meant just like cleaning solution, soap, and that kind of stuff. We're just going to try water. Now it will take some time to get the air out of the line. So if nothing happens for like, well, 30 seconds, a minute maybe, don't worry. If the hose is submerged in the water, it'll come through. Wow, as you guys can see, yeah, it actually works. You can see where we did compared to where we didn't do. little elbow grease, which for those who are younger, that means apply pressure when you're scrubbing. And that's without any soap or anything else. I would say it's gonna work great. Or it does work great.